Hello, it's a beautiful day here at John Bear in New Hamburg. I'm Holly and today I'm going to show you this 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 work truck. It's got quite a few upgrades, so let's go take a look. This Sierra is equipped with a 2.7-liter turbo engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. It is stylish with the carbon black metallic paint coating, 17-inch steel wheels with chrome covers. You've got the addition of bed rails, rain guards, and a hard folding tonneau cover. When we hop in the driver's seat, you will see your auto-track single-speed transfer case. You also have a beautifully laid out driver's information center. This truck has cruise control and it's right there at your fingertips mounted on the steering wheel. You also have a 7-inch full-color touchscreen infotainment system equipped with Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Lots of power for charging and tons of storage in the front seat.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to come and take a look at this Sierra for yourself, give me a call here at 519-662-1200. Make sure you ask for Holly Cressman and I'll get you and your new Sierra on the road today.